Hello my wonderful family, how you guys doing? Hope you all are doing fine. Thanks for tuning in once again to watch Vivi's World.
Hello lovelies. Well, in this video you see how I'm rocking this beautiful hairstyle. This is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Tutorial on how I made my hair crochets. It looks so beautiful and I'm rocking it. Wow. Thanks for tuning in. So lovelies, I'm going to be explaining to you guys what I did here. I brought out a share and I tied a rope at the back, and the rope is doubled and tight. So I tied it at the back of the share. I brought out my expression hair. I comb it to the desired style I want, to the length I want. I cut and I comb and brush. So after combing and brushing out my expression hair, I braided it on my share, the thread I tied at the back, so you guys can see how it looks. So this braid here is not just a normal braid, it's a twist. I twisted it. After twisting this expression hair, wow, the next step will blow your mind. What did I do in the next step? I brought out 4 hair each and I plait it again with a thread, and I draw it because I want coils on this hair I want to make for myself. So guys, then the third step will blow your mind more. What did I do? I placed a water in the fire and I allow it to get boiled. So after my water is boiled, now just see what I did here. I brought out a bowl and I placed this hair inside. And I pour in my hot boiled water. And I covered it for 5 minutes. I moved it around and I left it for 5 minutes. So after that, I brought out a towel and I placed the hair on top of my towel so that the water will drop off in the towel, because I won't be putting it on my hair wet. So now they are dried. Before they got dried, this is another step now I'm going to be showing you guys. While I left it there to get dry, I came back to my hair. Now you see my hair. A lot of people are like, my hair, it's just 2 years and I started growing it again, and it's just so long in 2 years. Yes, because I'm using natural products on my hair, natural shampoo, natural oil on my hair, and I have a natural cream also, hair cream also I use. So you'll be seeing this cream now. You'll be seeing this cream. I'll bring it out here to pass it to the line of my hair. So this cream is mainly for braiding hair. So it's very good. It's very good. It's anti-dandruff. It's very good in the scalp, and it promotes hair growth. So now I'm plaiting my hair. The struggling of making your hair is really it's real. It's really real. It's not joking at all. So here I'm braiding my hair and just trying to make it the way it will suit me. Though my hands were hot because it's kind of exercise that we don't do all the time, so breaking the hands up. So my hands were hot. I was just tired in my hands, my neck. But what to do? I had to do it. I had to make this hair beautiful because I had to go to somewhere the next day and I have to make my hair beautiful. So guys, don't mind the braids I made inside. The braids doesn't really matter at all. What matters is the crochet, so I'm almost done braiding my hair. I'm almost done braiding my hair. So you can see the front of the hair. I didn't just start. I left a little brush. I left a little hair out there because I'm still working on my edges. So I'm still working on my edges. Because of that, I didn't braid a lot of my edges. So guys, I finished braiding my hair. I come back again to our twisted braid. Now it's dried. It's very dry. So now I can start fixing in the twisted braids on my hair. So guys, just see the way I'm fixing it. Crochet. It's very easy to fix. It's very easy to fix. I'm fixing it one after the other to my hair. So guys, see how the struggle is. See how beautiful it looks also. I'm not done yet, but I'm already seeing the beauty of the hair.
Oh, making your hair, the struggle is real, for real, guys. I came out, I just ran to take my son to school, and I'm back to continue. I'm not done yet. This is how I just get. You see, I just cover it quick, you know. Alright, good. So, ah, alright. I had to pause first. I had to pause. I had to pause. I had to do the hair strokes first, and that's it. That's making your hair yourself. The struggle is real. You know, I started it yesterday. I started it a day ago, and I've been making this hair. First, I twist the expression hair on a thread and twist it. See how it is. Very beautiful, and I've coiled it also in hot water. So let's continue from where we stopped, guys. I was tired and I went to sleep after making the hair inside. After weaving this all back, I was tired. So this morning I started when I woke up. I did a few and paused and started to do my house chores, my housework, and as a mother, everything I had to do, I have to pause and do them first. The struggle of doing your hair is real. Doing it yourself, you know, it's real. But the good thing there is you have time to do everything you want to do, and you do your hair at your convenient time. You make your hair at your convenient time. So that's it.
So lovely, my hair is ready. My beautiful crochet hair is ready. Yeah, it's so nice, so beautiful.
I love side part, so I'm going to be leaving it side part.
And it's not tight, it's so good. You know, when you make it yourself, you know, you do it to the way you know you can, it will be comfortable for you. Wow, I just like the hair. It's really nice, looks so good on me. I never knew I was beautiful like this until I finished making the hair. I was like, wow, so I'm still beautiful like this. Hey, it just brings out my shiny face, you know, my pointed nose. You know, even my daughter came and she was like, Mommy, wow, you did this yourself. I said, yes. And she's like, Mommy, will do this type for me also. She really liked it, you know. She said, Mommy, it's so beautiful. I said, yes, I know. I know it's so beautiful. So, guys, if you think making your hair is so stressful, yes, I will say yes, it's stressful. It's not too easy to make your hair yourself, but it's good. It's good. At least challenge yourself. If you are a lover of hair, if you love keeping hair, you know, and you love keeping hair, you know, our hair is not that easy to maintain. But if you can make a protective style like this, well, you're good to go, you know. So this braid now, it won't disturb my hair. My hair won't cut off that much because I'm still protecting my edges. I'm very, very proud of the product I'm using on my hair. The shampoo, the hair cream, the hair butter I'm using on my hair. Because my hair has grown so very fast and good. I can't just imagine, just 2 years after cutting my hair, you know. I'm very, very impressed of the growth I see. It's so nice, you know, very effective. Wow.
Give this video a thumbs up if you like the challenge of do it yourself, making your braids yourself, your weave yourself, your hair yourself. Bye.
Break it down.